Hi everyone, Nina here, and today we are going to create a story album. I'll be using All Boy Paper Collection by Echo Park. It includes 12 double-sided pattern papers and 12 by 12 thick sticker sheet. To fill the album, I cut mini 6x4 papers from the collection to fit inside my 6x4 story album. The story I'm documenting today is my kids' Pinewood Derby race. It's an annual scout race event in which the kids are given a block of pine wood that they have to cut, design, and build, and then paint it. So on the race day, they will be racing against other scouts from other scout groups. I printed the pictures from the building day and the race day, and then I decided to put them together to create this fun story album. I'll be showing you the steps of creating all the pages and the cover, and then stay tuned for by the end. I'm going to have a flip through the whole album. I cut the letters using my Sizzix machine. These are the Sizzix ABC die set and another die set from Fawn. It's the Stitch ABC dies. You'll find all the materials linked down below in the description area if you want to check any of them. I cut 2 sets of the word derby, one red and one yellow, just to give a contrast of the race colors. And here are some stickers that I'm going to add to the cover from the paper collection sticker sheet. I'm trying to make a fun cluster that shows the race and the race flags and the winning cup. Here is the cover page. I'm gonna just give you a quick view here, and also I'll put a paper photo so you can easily see the details. And then for the inside, I wanted the first page to say something about the race. So it's gonna be saying let's race, 3, 2, 1, let's race. Using a lot of my album essentials that I showed in many of my previous videos. I'll also link them down below. To cut this banner, the bridge-shaped banner, some of the glue was showing from the other side, sticking out from the other side, so I just used my glue eraser. And here I'm putting some banners to give the scene some fun look. And these again are stickers from the sticker sheet. They're so cute, the images are so cute. And here is the end one, and it says let's race, 3, 2, 1, let's race. This is going to be the first page as you open the album. You can see here the layers and the details. I'll also leave a photo so you can see it closer. The next page is going to be a 2-page layout. It's going to be about Build Your Car Day. On the left, I'm going to have this little memo that talks about the details of that day, when they met and where they met. They were actually given building tools so they can cut and design their cars. And on the right, I'm just going to stick it here directly to the back of the first page with the tape runner. And on the right side, I'm going to back the kids' pictures with scraps from the paper collection, so they would match together. I find best to attach the photos with a tape runner. It really keeps it strong in place and it doesn't move. I'm going to back it with papers from the same paper collection so they would match together. And then I'm going to attach the whole cluster to the background. And then I'm going to take a couple of the stickers from the sticker sheet and decorate it a little more. And I cut a hammer and a wrench just to give the feel of the building. I'm gonna put it back inside my story album, and I'm going to leave some photos so you can see the details of this layout. Then after this, I printed both the kids' cars, the final car after they painted them. And instead of putting them all together in the same page, I decided to make a whole 2-page layout for each of the kids with their car. So it's going to be a layout on the left, something about the kid and his scout rank, and on the right it's going to be his car and its design, and the next page after that it's going to be the exact same thing for the other kid. So this is my older kid Cal, and this is his car. He chose a design of some car called Koenigsegg, something that I didn't know before. And this is the red one is my younger kid's. His name is Joopy, and he decided just to use a race car design. So I'm going to also printed the kids' portrait pictures, and I'm going to back them again with scraps from the paper collection. Here is, it's on the left is going to be the kid's picture and his scout rank. Joopy, the one here on the red background, is a wolf rank. We are going to create his page, and we are going to off camera do the same thing for Cal. Joopy's wolf, this is the badge of the wolf rank. It's actually all diamond in shape, and when they get the badge, they stick it on their scout shirt this way when it is going to be oriented diamond shaped. So I thought I will cut a diamond background, which is blue here, and this is the logo of the Boy Scout of America. And I'm gonna stick his photo cluster on the strip, and I'm going to add some sticker to give them some fun look for the final layout. And then I cut the word wolf from very tiny letters, and on the other side of his car beneath the photo I put these two red strips to give the feel of the race, and I added a couple of stars after this, and this is his layout. We're going to create the exact same thing for the other kid. On the right his car, and on the left his rank. He is bear, he's older. And again we'll add some sticker just to decorate it a little more here. So this is for Cal and this is for Joopy. Here are some close-up photos for the car designs. The stickers really add a lot of decoration and fun look. So for the race day, I cut the word race again twice from the papers, from the paper collection. One is baby blue and the other one is red, and I add them on top of each other to give them sturdiness and dimension, and also a nice contrast of color. They match so much with the plaid background from the paper collection. So it's going to read the race day. Let's play and enjoy the ride. Let's play and enjoy the ride. They are going to be stickers from the sticker sheet. I'm just using my ruler to make sure that the word race on the same level. Here are a couple of stickers from the sticker sheet, and we're gonna put it back in the story album. I lost the footage from the other right side, but it was just the picture of all the cars from their group on the race day. Here are some close-up photos of it. I just added some stickers and a couple of stars just to get the nice look of the race. After this, it's gonna, on the left, I printed again the details of the race day. When it was on March 13th this year, 2021. And I wrote the details about they had to put their cars for inspection and weighing before they are allowed to get inside the race. That was the race day at the beginning of the race, and then they were started racing with their groups. I put all the details there and I printed it out and I cut it with my one of my dies, round corner. And on the right side, I made this layout of the race day and how the cars looked on the race tracks. And these are all the pages that I created today. And here is a flip through all the pages that we created. This is the first page, and this is the building day. And then the card designs for each boy and his rank. This is Cal, the bear rank, and then Joopy, the wolf rank, and then the race day. And finally, I just added a photo that I took a photo with them by the end. It was so much fun that day. So I had so much fun, guys, creating this story album with you today about my Kids Scout Pinewood Derby. I hope you did have fun too. Do not forget to like and subscribe. It helps me so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!